Hello everyone and welcome to my English. Today we're going to be checking the present continuous tense. I know that sometimes it's difficult to understand and to use some tenses in English. However, the idea is to be very careful in some of the important aspects that we need to consider when we have any of the tenses or when we want to use them in English. So don't worry. Today we're going to be checking some important details, and the idea is to identify the most important aspects and to be able to use the present continuous tense in the best way possible. Now, the first question is going to be, when do we use the present continuous tense? And the answer is to talk about actions that are happening now or right now. For example, we can say they are walking at the beach. The dog and the man, or the dog and his owner, are walking at the beach. When is it happening? It is happening right now. So that's why we say that this is a present continuous tense sentence. We have the verb to be plus an ing verb. Second example, we say he's playing the piano. When is it happening? It's happening right now. As we can see, when we use the present continuous tense, we're going to have a subject, also the verb to be. In any of the options, we can have is, are, or am according to that subject. And then we're going to have a main verb using an ing form. Finally, we have a complement. For example, we can say he is listening to the music when he is listening to the music right now. Also, we can use the present continuous tense when we talk about a very specific time in present tense, when an action is happening. For example, I am studying English this month. I am taking some driving classes this week. So it means that the action is happening in the present in a very specific moment. This is also a very good chance for us to talk about or to use the present continuous tense. Finally, when we want to use the present continuous tense in negative sentences, we have the same structure. We're going to have a subject, then we have any of the options for the verb to be, which is going to be our auxiliary, am, are, or is. And finally, we have our main verb using an ing form. For example, we say, I am not taking a class right now. You are not sleeping at home now. We are not studying English right now. They are not eating a sandwich now. She is not working hard this week. He isn't watching television now. What is he doing? He is listening or he is watching the video right now. It isn't playing well. So, again, to talk about present continuous tense, we need to talk about those actions happening at this moment. We have two elements which are very important to create those sentences in present continuous tense. The first one is going to be the verb to be, which is going to be our auxiliary. And finally, the main verb using an ing form. I hope these actions and these examples are useful to you. So remember, if you like the video, just click on the bell and keep watching the videos, so we can learn more and we can share the information that we have for you. Bye and see you next time.